Well, hello, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're just going to be doing a good old chit chat, get ready with me. Nothing new here. But I'm actually wanting to do something lilac, something purple, kind of like the colour of my top. So I have the Pastels palette from Beauty Bay. I have this wee base from Plouise. I have this wee Situation from Colourpop. And then I have this wee palette from Morphe. Let me see. Every time I open up this palette, it is so beautiful. So there's not like a lavender or a lilac shade in this palette, but we have this wee shade up here, which is quite nice. I'm maybe thinking of using it, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, so for my primer, guys, I'm going to be taking the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This one here. There we go. I don't know whether this primer is mixing in with my skincare and SPF, but my skin looks wet. I think it's a hydrating primer, but juicy. So then for foundation, guys, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Full Filter. Is this the Full Filter? Yeah, it's the Full Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. Whoa. You know, whenever you need to sneeze and it's just there. It's just right there. And you get like a fizzy nose. So then for concealer, I'm going to take this one from Benefit. This is the Boing Concealer. Then I'm just going to use the same sponge that I used for my foundation. I absolutely love this wee sponge and I cannot remember for the life of me where I got it. Probably Colourpop. But no, God knows. Oh my goodness, talking about Colourpop, guys. I might actually film this. No, I won't have time. Probably next week. So here's the thing. Last week I had filmed a best of Colourpop video and I was sitting editing through it the other night and I was not happy with the footage at all. Really was not happy with the footage and I completely deleted everything. Which is really frustrating because it took me 3 hours to sit and film that video. I'm not even joking because my camera died 3 times. So yeah, probably next week I'll get around to filming that again. But I was actually thinking of asking yous, would you want me to do a best and worst of Colourpop? Because in the video that I did film, I had just done the best of Colourpop. But obviously, like, I love Colourpop. Like, in my eyes, of course, Colourpop can do no wrong. My tongue is well and truly up their asshole. I understand that, but they do still have some products that I don't like. So, which is one a best and a worst? I actually think that's quite a good idea. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Shall I? Don't get me wrong, there's not many products that I dislike from Colourpop. But there's still a few. There's still a few. Oh, I love that concealer. So good. Then I'm just going to take my W7 cream bronzer. I know, I'm honestly starting to get really pissed off the fact that I keep on using this. I might be like regretting saying this or even like talking about this, but I'm literally doing my dream job right now. Like, this is like my literal dream job. Sometimes it's scuttering to sit and putting makeup on every single day. Every single day. From Monday to Monday. Like, on weekends I wear makeup, of course, but this is a good thing I bloody love makeup. Like, I literally sit here day in, day out putting makeup on, and like, honestly, I kind of wonder how I'm so blessed, and that's obviously thanks to you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys I wouldn't actually be able to sit here and have this be my full-time job. But sometimes sometimes you just need a break. Sometimes it's like another day, another bloody makeup tutorial. And like I honestly feel so bad. Like I'm not complaining about my job or anything like that. It's not as if I'm a nurse or somebody that has like a hard job, you know. But we can all complain every now and again, can't we? We're allowed to. But I'm just going to set my skin now, and I'm just going to use a wee pressed powder first and then go in and bake. Wait, you see my pressed powder that I'm using, guys? Well, it's no longer pressed. It's hilarious. It's from Technique and it's their superfine blonde powder. It's actually my favourite. I refuse. I literally refuse to bin it because there's so much powder there and I'm just not binning it. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty powder in Pancake. Oh god. I forgot that this was so heavily fragranced. Quite like it though. Oh my god. I really need to shave my face. I'm just going to set my skin and I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. and Jen Atkin Mist Me Setting Spray. I've been really enjoying this wee spray, guys. It's so good. The mister on it is really good. It's so fine. Love it. So I'm actually going to be taking this wee Laura Geller palette. This is the Illuminator palette. Life Glows On. Love that. So I'm going to take French Fizz. I love that name! French Fizz! Okay, I'm actually not going to use that. Oh, you can see my pyjama bottoms. Yes, I'm still in my pyjamas. My Barbie ones. Okay, I literally just left it there, the Ofra and Steph Tom's collab, but I literally just realised there now that Ofra have got themselves into a wee bit of a pickle recently, and I don't think I will be any longer supporting Ofra as a brand, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate because I haven't even used this yet and I've been waiting to use it in a tutorial on like full face first impressions or something. Oh well, it's just a good thing I never really supported Ofra that much anyway. But like, does anybody not just miss the days of YouTube whenever it was so easy and we had Tati Westbrook reviewing a foundation that costs $52,500 and something dollars? Seriously, can she not just come back and like review a ridiculous priced foundation or something? I miss her so much. This is like a public announcement. Please come back. But no, I just miss the days on YouTube whenever it was so easy. And it was just all about the makeup and there was no drama and there was no this and that. So of course, whenever it does come to brands being racist or homophobic or anything, of course that's obviously whenever you kind of need to do something about it and stop supporting them and stuff. So completely understand and agree with that. But it's just a wee bit exhausting and tiring. It's just constant. And then for blush, I'm going to be taking this one from Vive and it's in the shade Pesca. And for bronzer, I'm going to be taking this one from Doll Beauty and it's in the shade, oh, it's just the medium one. I can't get over how bad my beard is, seriously. Well, it's not even a beard, it's a moustache. Friggin' sitting here like mustachio. Jesus Christ. So bad. So just starting on my eyes, guys, I'm going to take one of the Plouise eyeshadow bases. Oh! That scared me. Oh my god, that colour. That colour. So I'm just going to be blending this out first of all and blending it up to the crease as well. So is anybody going on any holidays this year? I don't actually think I'm going to be going anywhere this year, unfortunately. so depressing, I swear to goodness. Do you know what? I could go away if I wanted to, because me and Kyle were supposed to go to Vegas whenever the whole COVID situation happened and started. So we actually have like a... So basically that money that we paid for Vegas, we cancelled it obviously, so we still have that money kind of like within the travel place to then spend on like another holiday, or if we want to go to Vegas. I don't know why I brought my mirror to this side whenever I always sit like this. But we've been talking about going to Bali. Have I mentioned it to him? I'm so bad, like I will come up with these ideas in my head and I'll think that I've told him, but I haven't. But I've been thinking of Hawaii because I've wanted to go to Hawaii for nearly like a decade at this point. God, that makes me sound so old. It's a bad job whenever you can actually say, oh, a decade. And you're only like, what, 17? A decade ago I was 17. But yeah, I think that's one of those situations where I've thought about going to Hawaii, but I haven't actually told him yet. So I'm going to take a wee clean brush. This is just slightly stained. Is it? Oh, fuck it. I'm going to start slightly blending that. And then I'm going to take the Pastels palette from Beauty Bay. This wee one here, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be taking the shade Daydream, which is this pastel purple colour. And then I'm just going to pat this over top of that base. So I'm also just taking now a wee blending brush and still the purple shade. Do you know, see just like one colour all over the lid. Oh, stunning. And then as I say, I have this wee palette here from Morphe, and it's actually a collaboration with Avani Gregg. There's this shade here in this palette and it's a nice wee shimmer. Oh, that's stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not even too sure if you'll be able to see what it looks like or not, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's a nice wee lavender shade, but it has like wee glitters in it, like pink, blue. Yeah. I would zoom these in, but you know, moustache and all that. So I'm gonna left me this comment. God, it was ages ago, and she had said that whenever you use a shimmer with a brush, instead of going side to side, if you swipe down, I can't remember what video it was, or else I would give you a wee shout out. But you'll know who you are if you're watching. So just right down. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. That works so well. Swiping down instead of side to side. And for my lashes, guys, I'm just going to do this off camera. So I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. a Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. This is actually their new mascara, and I don't think I've used it on camera yet, but it's what I've been using recently, and it's actually a very, very, very good. It's definitely very volumizing. Do you know what? I'll show you it. Jesus Christ. If we had brains around here. Is this not a tutorial? Yeah, so I literally just do this to coat the lashes, and then I'll start getting right in at that root. haven't the best lashes, but that's not bad for like a wee elf mascara. Okay, I'm gonna hide my mouth so you just don't see my moustache. But that's not bad, right? I can't even remember how much this was, but I think it was like £5 or £6. I'll link it down below for you guys anyway. I know my lips look a wee bit weird because I was actually like trying out some lip colours. But anyway, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF. I'm just wanting to go for like a really, really pale nude. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. Then I'm going to take some of my trusty Burberry lip cream, and it's in the shade Light Nude. This comes to the end of this tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you all so much for hanging out with me this morning. Of course, all the products that I did use will be listed and linked down below in the description box, along with my Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to go and follow me on there. But other than that guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you're all staying safe and well. Please be kind, look after yourselves and each other, and I shall see you in my next video.